Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to stream games using PRISM Live Studio on your mobile phone. Let's get started. First, install and open the PRISM Live Studio app from the Play Store. Now, sign up using Google or any available method. Allow access to your camera and microphone when prompted. Tap on Screen to stream your mobile screen. The app will ask for permission to display over other apps. Make sure to allow it. Now, go to Screen Settings. Here, you can choose your screen resolution. Select 16 by 9 for horizontal streaming or 9 by 16 for vertical streaming, depending on your content. You can also add a screensaver, like Starting Soon or Awaiting Thumbnail. Using the screen editing option, you can add images, chat overlays, titles, and even 2D or 3D characters to your stream. Now, select your broadcast platform. Choose YouTube. If you prefer the Custom RTMP method, I have another video explaining that in detail. But connecting directly with YouTube is easier for beginners. Sign in to your Gmail account and select your YouTube channel. Now you can edit your broadcast settings. Set your resolution and bitrate based on your internet speed. Turn your microphone on or off as needed. You can also choose whether to save the stream to your device storage. Tap Start Now. Your broadcast has now started. Tap the prism icon to open the control panel. Here, you can see live chat, broadcast preview, audio settings. You can use the screensaver option to show a break thumbnail during your stream. If you want, you can turn on your camera using the camera option. I'm not enabling it in this video. The audio mixer helps you control your microphone volume and sound levels. If a pop-up ad appears while gaming, you can quickly switch to the screensaver. When you're done streaming, tap the End button to stop the broadcast. Now, go to your YouTube channel and check your live stream recording.
And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.